In this video, we're doing more in the makeup room. So if you're interested in seeing this third part, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm glad you stopped in. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. And you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. And on my website, creativelymissme.com, I've created forms to make planning easier for home organization and content creators. Now let's jump into this video. Now here I'm continuing on with my Mending Home series, and I'm in my makeup room still. Yes, still. So I'm just going to stop babbling and let you see what I'm doing on this video. Now down here, I have these 3 drawers that I used to keep my makeup in. I've made them more of like for scarves and wigs and frontals, and down here are towels, and then a thing I use on to do my nails, and then a makeup brush drying stand is down here. So that's what this is kept for. Now on the other side, I have another set of maxi drawers. Now this one is predominantly for hair care stuff. So we'll start at the bottom. Now this bottom drawer here is where I keep my rollers. These are those hard plastic rollers here. I keep curling irons and flat irons in this bottom drawer as well. Now the next drawer is where I keep different things like care for wigs and weaves and braids and conditioners, leave-in moisturized conditioners, dry shampoo, stuff like that. This next drawer is gels, hair oil, Icy Plus, different kind of things I use on my hair, Jamaican black oil, a wig refresh, all kind of stuff. It's all kind of oils and things in here, bonding glue, all different kinds of stuff. Now the next drawer is where I keep some hair creams, the combs, the bands, the bobby pins, rubber bands, the needles that you use to do crochet braiding. I was going to try that at one point. I haven't tried it yet because your girl's not a very good braider. And in this top drawer is where I keep all my brushes and combs. I try to keep the combs in there, the brushes, and then my perm brushes go in here. I try to keep all that in this drawer here on the top. So this predominantly is only hair care, and then the other one that you saw is for makeup. So now I'm going to show you the mess on top. Yeah. Okay, up here on this side, I have 2 areas where I keep makeup brushes. Okay, I have over here, these are face brushes, powders, blushes, foundation brushes, brushes to put on, what you call it? I can't think what you call it. Highlighters, things like that. Over here, I keep the eye brushes for eyeshadows over here. And then up there is where I keep the jumbo makeup pencils. Here are eye pencils, like for eyeliners, things like that. And this one is my lip pencils. Now I have some new brushes here that I need to put in their proper places. And this foolishness needs to come off. Now, I started on my DIY process with this makeup mirror because I refuse to pay $400 for this mirror, for a mirror. So this is a DIY project that I started on. I haven't finished. I need to get the sides and the bottom to make it fully the makeup mirror that I set out to get it to be. Now, my plan today is to clean off this desk. This is, I can't think of this dress. It's an IKEA desk that my daughter gifted me. I can't think of it, the name of it. It's a Mica. I can't think of the name of it. What I'll do is I'll find the picture of it on IKEA and I'll try to include the picture in the video. Now the glass containers that I have my brushes in, they were all thrifted. All of them. I wanted it to be clear, so all of them are thrifted. But I'm really thinking about changing that up. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. But here, I have my cotton balls, my makeup squares, my Q-tips. Over here is miscellaneous. Scissors, razors, clips. What you call those things? You know your mind goes blank when you go to show something. These tweezers. I have tweezers in there as well. So over here, it's mainly supposed to be my lotions and my other things I keep over here, but you see it became a piling station. I have a jewelry box over there and a box I keep all my bangles in. I keep it over there. I need to clean this off and make it look normal. So that'll be something that I'm working on today. I went through a lot of details on the eyeshadows. So I will be cleaning this up. And I will come back and show you how it looks when it's all finished. And while you're here, why don't you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And never stop exploring. There's always something new on their very last screen. All right, here's everything cleaned up. I always keep a green towel here, and reason why is they're old towels and they're green, and when I wipe makeup on them, it doesn't matter. I try to keep a dark color towel for makeup, my makeup room. And then all of that has been cleaned off. Over here has been cleaned off and set up properly. So I'm very pleased that I got the desk cleaned. The eyeshadow drawer has been cleaned because it needed it. And on top of the desk here, I have a clear, what is it called? Shelf liner. That's what it is. It's a clear shelf liner on top. Because, you know, with makeup, you always spilling something. And to keep wiping on it will cause the paint or the finish of the drawers to disappear. And if you're a makeup person, you know that. So I put this clear shelf liner on top to protect the desk. So overall, everything has been cleaned, and I'm pleased with it, that the desk is cleaned off and everything is put where it's supposed to go. So that part I am so grateful for, that I got to do in here. And so the makeup room, the desk at least is clean. And then we'll go into part 2 as the wall picture placement. I have that, and then I have this here and something my daughter made with her students for me up on the walls. And I have some lips I'm going to put up over here on the wall there. So that will be pretty. And then the other half of this room is my office. So that will be part 2, because this room has a lot of stuff in it. But I want to take you along with me mending my home as I venture to clean another area in my home. So I hope you enjoyed this rather crazy video. And I'm glad I brought you along with me, and because I was asked about my eyeshadows. So that's mainly why I did the makeup drawer, to show you the eyeshadows. And I'm going to start trying to attempt to do an eyeshadow look. I'm going to try to do one at least once a week. I'm going to attempt to. So here's my makeup room cleaned. Thank goodness.